Want to know what to eat to boost brain function? Hi, we're Glenda and Michelle. I'm Glenda. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist.
And I'm Michelle, a certified meditation teacher. And this is where nutrition meets meditation. So be sure to click the subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up if you like what we're talking about today.
So, did you know that chocolate can actually help to boost brain function? Let's get to making something super simple and super delicious, and it's so nutritious that you can have it for breakfast. We are going to make a chocolate smoothie.
Gooey banana, it was actually supposed to be frozen. 1 pitted date. And if you don't have a high-speed blender, I suggest you soak it for 5 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure you're using really good quality raw cacao. You can use a tablespoon or two of organic full-fat yogurt, plain of course, or kefir. I like to add hydrolyzed collagen to my smoothies. Great for hair, nails, gut health, and mental health. Got to mention putting in some nut butter, almond, cashew, hazelnut, whatever you like, preferably not peanut butter, and then of course a cup of filtered water.
So here we go. This is going to get loud.
All right, looks like it's ready.
It does look like it's ready. Here we go. Now,
all right,
it doesn't look like I made 2 big ones, but I will share with you.
Thank you.
Here we go. And it would be thicker if I had been using frozen bananas like I had planned.
I don't like it very cold anyway.
Right.
So I'm good with room temperature-ish.
Yeah, well, you know, you could even heat this up a little bit, but only a little bit because we don't
bacteria?
Because the yogurt or the kefir has good bacteria. You don't want to eat that. So, cheers.
All right, big taste test.
All right. If you have a sweet tooth, holy moly.
So good.
So yummy.
I wish you could taste this.
Yeah. Anyway, now you know how to make it. The recipe will be, the link to the recipe will be below. Make sure if you want more recipes like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. Cheers.
All right.